Hello there, my friends. In this video, we are going to continue working on solve take-apart problems within 5. Let's get started. Listen to the problem. There are 5 penguins. 3 are small. How many are big? Let's use subtraction to help us find how many penguins are big. There are 5 penguins. How many are big? How many are small? Let's start by counting how many penguins are small. 1, 2, 3 penguins are small. 1, 2 penguins are big. There are 5 penguins. 3 are small. Choose the number that shows how many penguins are big. Altogether, we have 5 penguins. Since we are trying to find how many penguins are big, we need to take away the penguins that are small. So let's subtract the small penguins. I have 1, 2, 3 penguins that are small. If I have 5 penguins total and I take away those 3, I'm left with 1, 2 big penguins. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let's take a look at one more example together. There are 4 books on the shelf. 2 books are about science. How many books are about history? We can use subtraction to find out how many books are about history. Let's start by figuring out how many books there are altogether. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 books altogether. Next, let's see how many books are about science. I have 1, 2 books about science. Since I'm trying to figure out how many books are about history, I am going to take away or subtract my 2 science books. Let's go ahead and cross them out. 1, 2. Since I cross them out, I am going to subtract 2. That leaves me with 1, 2 history books. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Great work, my friends. Keep up that subtraction practice. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.